Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, this is our part 3rd of class 11th business study, same chapter nature and purpose of business. Today I will explain on the business activities. So in our business organizations, business activities are divided into two categories. First is their industry and second is their commerce. So student, in our today class I will explain the topic of industry, and on the commerce I will explain on the next video class. So meaning of industry, first I will explain as a verbally, after that we will explain point to point. First, so in meaning of industry, student, industry meaning is there, those organizations are convert raw material to useful goods or a finished goods. It is called a industry. And industry are categorized into three categories. First is here primary industry, secondary industry, and third tertiary industry. So primary industry are categorized into two categories. First is extractive industry and second is genetic industry. And students, meaning of extractive industry, those goods are extraction for the natural resources. It means this type industries are extractive extractive from the natural resources. Genetic industry, those industries are belonging to the rearing and breeding of living organism. So primary industry are categorized into two categories. First, extractive industry and second, genetic industry. Second one is here secondary industry. Secondary industry are categorized to the two categories. First is here manufacturing industry and second constructive industry. Manufacturing industry means industries here, those in industry are convert to those products are prepared in the primary industry. It is converted to the final goods. It is called a manufacturing industry. Constructive industry means is here for the construction of bridge, roads. Those industries are involving for the construction work. So two industries is there, primary industry and second industry. Third one is there tertiary industry. Those industries are carry on for the primary industry and secondary industry. Means this type of industries are involving the services for the providing services for the primary industry and secondary industry. Services means just like our transport, banking, communication, finance and advertising. So these are service providing for the primary industry and secondary industry. Let's now we will start one by one for a broad explanation for each and every industries, because it is an important topic of this chapter. Now we will start one by one for the proper explanation with the topic. First topic is here industry. So industry means convert raw material into useful product. It is the main functions of the industry. Industries is referred to those are convert a raw material into a useful goods or a finished products. Second is in the industry are involving rearing and reproduction of animals or other living species. Under the industry are involving rearing of the animals and the reproduction of the animals. Next is here produce, consumer and the capital goods. Students, this is the main point. Under the industry are produce or manufacture consumer goods and capital goods. So first I am explaining here for the meaning of consumer goods. Consumer goods are those are ready for the consumed by the consumer. It means those are final goods are ready for the consumers. So consumer, just like our example of butter, bread, clothes, it is the consumer goods. Those are ready for the consumer for consume. Next is capital goods. Those goods are manufacturer and producer. Those goods are manufacture and production of the goods. It is called a capital goods. Clear this point? Capital goods are those are prepared for manufacture and the production work. So it is a work of industry. Under the industry will prepare two type of goods. First is the consumer goods and second is capital goods, and all the activities those are referred to convert to raw material to finishing goods. And under the industry, rearing and reproduction of animals of other living species are included. Next is here, at the chart time, we have to be watch out this thing. The industry are to be categorized into three categories. So here I am discussing about the first industry is a primary industry. So primary industry is concerned with extraction of natural resources. Student, extraction means gain. Extraction means gain from natural resources and reproduction of living species. So those things we have to be achieved from the natural, from as a free gift from the natural, just like for a water, air, it is a natural resources. So it is called a primary industry. Its industry are considered, it is involved or the extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. Then primary industry are to be categorized into two categories. First is their extractive industry and second is genetic industry. So first, extractive industry, those industry of something from natural resources. These industries are convert or are refer to extraction of something from natural resources. Is this industry are work for the gain from the natural resources, just like for example of minerals from the earth, timber from the forest, timber timber, wood, timber from the forest, and fishes from the river and the seas. All are example of extractive industry, because this industry are extraction of something from natural resources. Those natural resources we have to be receive or free from the earth or free from the nature. Next is genetic industry. The genetic industry involve rearing and breeding of living organism, just like example of birds, animals, plant. Rearing of the plant, breeding of the animals, and for the example of rearing of cattle for milk, rearing of plant in the nursery, and fishes in the pond for the sale out of the under the genetic industry. For a dairy farming, this is a example for the genetic industry. So here friends, we will discuss here industry. The industry are categorized into three categories. First was on primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Primary industry are to be categorized are two categories. First, extractive industry, those we have to be extractive from the natural resources, and second is genetic industry. Genetic industry, rearing and breeding of living organism for the prepare of the goods. This is the industries. Now next industry we will discuss here, secondary industry. So next is secondary industry after the primary industry. So meaning of secondary industry, those goods we have extract or produced from the primary industry. In the secondary industry, it will be converted into the final goods or a finishing goods. If the organizer produce the iron rods in the primary industry, mining of iron rods in the primary industry, and in the secondary industry the iron rod conversion will be into a steel. So secondary industry are categorized into two industries. First is their manufacturing industry and second is constructive or construction industry. So let's now start the meaning of manufacturing industry. So students, conversion of raw material of finishing goods or finished goods. Manufacturing industry refers to conversion of raw material into a finished goods. Example is timber convert into a furniture. We are to be extract from the timber into the primary industry, and timber will be converted into the furniture in the manufacturing industry. And sugar cane are rearing in the primary industry, and sugar cane are converted into the sugar in the manufacturing industry. And mining of iron in the primary industry, and iron are converted into the steel under the manufacturing industry. So manufacturing industries are manufacture two types of the goods. First is their consumer goods and second is industrial goods. So students, first meaning of consumer goods, those goods are consumed for the consumer. Those goods are manufactured or produced for the consume of the consumers. My point is clear. So example of oil, soap, bread, clothes, and these goods are manufactured or produced for the consumed by the consumer. It's called a consumer goods. Second is their industrial goods. As a name, industrial goods. Those goods are manufactured for the purpose of the production or manufacture. My point is clear. Those goods are manufactured of the production of the manufacturer or the producers. Example is machinery and tools. These goods are not to be consumed by the consumer. The manufacturer are bought these goods, manufactured these goods for the production of the goods, of work of production. So these goods are used for the production of the goods. After that, we will discuss of the types of manufacturing industries. So our next topic will be here, types of manufacturing industries. Students, our next topic is types of manufacturing industry. So as the base of the goods of industry, the industries are manufactured two types of the goods. First was on their consumer goods and second was on their industrial goods. Those goods are used for the manufacture of machineries. And here is the types of manufacturing industries. So manufacturing industries are four types there. First is analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry, and assembly industry. So first is there analytical industry. So let's now start from the first, analytical industry. Analytical industry, in this industries is raw material is broken into a different type of the product to finished product. So these industries are broken, raw material is broken. It means crude oil. Crude means kacha tel. Crude oil are broken into a produce of a finished goods. Crude oil is broken into the for the finished goods of diesel, petroleum, glycerine, and the different type of the oil. The crude oil is broken. It means is under the analytical industries. Raw material is broken for produce of the other finished goods. Next is synthetic industry. In this industry, two or more raw material are mixed to produce a new product. My point is understood? So synthetic industry, it means an example of soap. For production of a soap, are needed for the chemicals, wax, and the colors. These all are raw material, and for the manufacture of the soap, these all raw materials are manufactured, are together, are mixed for manufacture of a soap. Those are example of synthetic industries. Next is there processing industry. Processing industry means is there, in this industry the raw material are passed into a different activities for manufacture a new product. Example is, if a manufacturing company manufacture a shirts, so for the shirt are, for the manufacture of the shirt are passed through by the different activities. Just like for a, first there have to be arrangement of the thread, buttons, colors, dye, and different type of the activities they have to be passed for the manufacture of the shirt. So under the processing industry, raw material is proceed through various stages of production, and then finished goods are manufactured. The raw material are passed of the various actions or various activities, then the finished goods are manufactured, the finished goods are ready for to the consume. Last is there assembly industry. In this industry, the finished goods are assembled for a new product, for manufacturing a finished product, or we can say a new product. Example is automobile. Automobile example is, one industries are manufacture a tire. Those are finished products. So tire, one industry are manufactured for the bulb, wire, seat cover. So it is all a finished goods. And one more example of the assembly product, we can say a lot of examples we have in the present time of society. Just for a computer, one company manufactured by the keyboard, motherboard, UPS, monitor, and these are all are finished products, and all of finished products are assembled for to the new finished product. I hope you have to be clear. Various finished products are combined to produce a new finished product. So since after the secondary industry, we have discussed manufacturing industry. Now the second industry is the construction industry. Under the construction industries, we have included the manufacture of road, dam, bridge. So in these industries, of its product are not to be transferred from one place to another place. In this type of industries, our goods are fixed. The manufacture of the building, so building is a fixed at on the same place where they have to be constructed. So construction industry is a meaning is enough. Second is, and last is third one is territory and service industry. When the manufacture is their own goods during the primary and secondary industry, they have to need for the transportation after the manufacturing of the goods, and they have to need for the finance, for credit of the fund, they have to need for the warehousing, for kept in his own goods. They have to be manufactured after the primary or manufacturing industries or the activities, and they have to need for insurance, advertisement. So fulfill these services, they are included under the territory industry. Territory industry provide the support to the primary and industries of the goods. So territory industry under the first transport. Transports are movement of goods one place to other place. You know very well, if the manufacturer produce the goods at the other one place, so they have to need for the transportation, where they have to be supplied to all over the country or all over the world. So that time they have to need for the transport, and transport is under for the service industry. These service industries provide the backup, provide the support to the primary industry and the secondary industry, because if the tertiary or service industry is not to be there, so it is a very danger for to the transportation of the goods, of a distribution to the goods of corner to each and every corner of the country. Second point is here banking. For arranging of the credit, provides for the credit by the banks for to the manufacture of the goods. Next is there insurance. Provide coverage from the risk is under for the insurance, because when the goods are manufactured by the primary or a secondary industry, that time there are a lot of chances for the risk, just like for a drought, theft. There are two need for the insurance. For insurance are provide the coverage from the risk of its own goods. Next is there warehousing. Warehousing is a new word. Warehousing means is there storage facility. After the manufacture of the goods, the manufacturer or producer is a face the problem where they have to be kept in a on goods. So the services or tertiary industry are provided the facility of warehousing facility. Warehousing facility, the producer or manufacturer is kept in his goods in the warehousing. So provides storage place for goods. Next point and the last point, advertising. Advertising is a very essential service in the present time, because after the manufacture of the goods, no one knowing about his own goods, those are manufactured by primary or a secondary industry. It is a service provided by the tertiary industry. The tertiary industry are aware about its own product by the advertisement. By the advertisement, the consumer will be aware about his product, so provides information to the consumer. So students, this is a very important topic. Those today we have discussed of the under the business equity of our industries. And next topic on the next video class, commerce, we will discuss. Okay, thank you students.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.